Hello guys, it's me Muhammad Ali here live inside the group. Been posting questions in the last few days in the group asking you guys for some audio, video stuff, not video but mostly audio, and I've been posting questions here and there. So another craziness about sound quality, stuff like that. But before I go ahead, I want to see who's here. If anybody is there, let me know. If you're here and the sound is good, let's do some unboxing. And I made a few days ago, I've been asking this question in the group about audio. The kind of audios that we have. Let me check here in the digital thing. So I've been asking about mic setup, broadcast stuff like that. So questions, please ask. Great. Let's do it. I'm gonna show you guys what I have here. So let me see, I made a post here in the group. Yeah, there we go. I'm gonna just change my screen, and if the audio is good, let's see here. Perfect. I'm actually live, so let me warn my people. Okay, so let's go ahead. Okay, excellent. Let's share the screen and I'll show you what I asked and what people have been giving me for recommendations, okay? So you guys have some ideas from here. So I'm gonna do the unboxing here in front of you guys and I'll share with you everything. But let me switch the screen of what I was asking for. So here is the post I made in the group, okay? Let's go here. And it was, as you can see here, about, let me make it a little bit bigger so you have an idea. Okay, make it a little bit bigger here. Facebook now, the design is crazy. It's very small here. Hopefully we can handle this. Oh, I can see myself live in there. So this was the question in the group. Yes, I made two questions about the audios, right? The first one was, I saw this setup, which is recommended by Amazon together. And I was like, yeah, what do you guys think? And everybody said, you know what? This microphone is good. This is the mount is good. Then this the USB interface is also good. So 1, 2, 3. So together, this was 169 Canadian dollars. This was $139, and this was $525. So you can see the total came to this, and with taxes, it was going to come to about $900. Then I did some research. I went around, asking questions, and you can see I actually got some really good feedback. People are like, yeah, don't buy Focusrite. A lot of people are saying this Focusrite is really good. And this guy asked for this. Then somebody, and then Driti Gobinda Dutta, that guy said, you know what, you may add a cloud lifter, as this sure requires high gain. You can even get Motu M2. And I was like, what is that? Let me do some research. And then we kept going back and forth. And guess what? In this group, we actually have sound engineers. Like this guy's here. David Ford is actually really good. Also, there was a couple people I'll show you guys. And they're really, really good. So they've been getting a lot of advice. Nopes get a Rodecaster and Rode Pod mic. So this guy has also his point here, Tony Ventura. He's actually into that stuff. So definitely, I'm going to be testing a lot of these ones. And you know what? What I really need is just to go live in the groups. And that's my main focus. I'm not into podcasts yet, but probably that's going to happen. And you can see, man, so many different people coming forward. So Jamie also is giving me really good advice as well. So we went back and forth, and eventually I went ahead and grabbed some stuff. But you know what? That's not the end. It's the beginning of the addiction into the audio space. And I'm going to be actually showing you guys. So let me show you what I got. And hopefully some of you will like it. Let me show you here. Let's go here. And so this is my unboxing time. Let's do it, guys. Let's do it. Okay. So what I got, the mic. The mic that I was looking for was the SM7B, but I also did some research. So it needs a cloud lifter. Everybody agreed that. So you have to connect it to another, another small tool that's about 100 something, $129, whatever it was, and you have to fit it in it. This guy here, that's not known, so I'm going to show you the first one that I got. It's called the Stealth. I can put it upside down. It's upside down. It's called the Aston Stealth, right? And it's just like it's dynamic, so similar to it's live and dynamic. So it's similar to the SM7P, but it has built-in cloud lifter. So I don't need to actually do any of the things that a lot of the other tools, external tools, that you will need to do that. So I'm gonna test it. And if you actually go on YouTube, and this is very funny, this is because a lot of you guys, I can quickly show you this. If you go to YouTube, let's do this. Let's go to YouTube. So many things here quickly. Let's go to YouTube, right? And if I go to YouTube, there is actually, I was showing somebody about Indonesia debt collectors, funny one. It was very funny. I like to joke about this because my good friends are Indonesian, and I was showing him, this is a very good on Vice. So let's just keep there. So here they have Aston Stealth. If I put this Aston Stealth on YouTube, everywhere you will see the 7B being the SM7B being compared, and there's a lot of people doing the comparisons here. This guy here talks about it. Mike Wars, sure, SM7B versus the Aston Stealth, and they put them against each other, and then everybody's doing it, and so many people are talking about it. And it looks like some people will say, you know what, the SM7B is this and this. The other guys are saying this one is good, so the war is still going on. The good news is I'm actually going to get both of them, because just in case I want to do interviews with other people, like, you need more than one camera. I mean, more than one mic, so that's good. What I had from before was this guy here. And as you can see, a lot of you guys use this Yeti here. And it's been a while. I've been having it for like the last 3-4 years. And it's time to probably upgrade. It's not been doing good. Last few times I tried. I don't know what's going with it. I think it's like time for it to retire. But yeah, so let's go into this guy and see what it comes with. I'm gonna open it and show you guys. But before I actually do that, the other one, the interface, people were saying Focusrite's not good. So I went ahead and got this one, which was the Moto M2. You can see that. The advantage with this one is that unlike the Focusrite, I can actually do two, I can connect the two mics into it. So if I have two people here, it's easy to do that. And so it comes with those two. And it shows you also the display. It's actually an LED display as the sound goes up and down, or red, whatever is going on, right? Nothing wrong with the Blue Yeti, you're right. But probably something much more professional will be okay. So that's the other one. They advised me to get this one here for the connection from the mic into the Moto. So this is what it looks like, right? And then, of course, this is something that everybody likes it. This was the PSA one and the studio arm. So this is going to be connected to the phone. Now, people are complaining about this and this working together. I'm going to see how that's going to happen, right? I'll see how that's going to work out. And the good news is that I'm still going to bring I'm still going to buy the SM7B, because I'll have some interviews once in a while, so why not, right? And so we'll compare and do them. So quickly, see how they look like, because I've been asking you guys this question back and forth in order to get an idea. But against all odds, I went ahead and got this. Yep, there we go. The cable, yep. That's right. That's the you're right. This was the Digiflex, it's called, and it comes with lifetime warranty. And so that's the cable. Yep. Now, how does it look like? Let's quickly see. The mic itself looks like this. So people like the design. A lot of people just, because of the feedback that I was getting was that it has really smooth, nice design. it looks like really sharp and looks really cool and professional. This is how it looks like, right? You guys can see it. And so the cable definitely goes into here, and then that goes into this. And I'm gonna display all of them. I'm gonna actually set up and probably test this, if possible, to switch and do it live. And I can see the cable actually goes into here, and probably, I'm not sure, but I can see something that looks like USB. I don't know, how many of you know what this is? This is okay, I can see that the cable goes in there, but is that USB? No idea. Let's see. And they're saying they're the winners of this award. I don't know, that's the 2020 Tech Awards. The winner of 2020 Tech Awards. Okay, this is the stuff that's gonna hold it. So some people are complaining about this connecting to the mount. So I'll get that set up tonight and see how that's gonna work out and show you guys the setup. So that's an XLR connector, yes. Oh, that's an XLR connector. You know your stuff. So I'm not into audios, so definitely that's an XLR connector, so I'll see how that works. And here, I don't know what this is. They're giving me a pin maybe to put on. I don't know, what is this? Don't tell me this is part of the, this can never be part of the, can't. And then what's in here? Just the instructions on how to set it up. Nothing else. And then from here, so this is done. It's all gone. Nothing. So the boxes, put them away. Put it out there. So yeah, we have the mic. We have the stuff that goes into it. Oh, is it? Hold on. How this connects to this? I've been hearing. Actually, we don't know what it is. I'll find out. I'll read the instructions. It has some cool instructions here, but I want to see how this connects to this. I'll read the instructions. Don't worry. I'll come back for this. Now, this guy here, everybody was saying get the focus bright, but I went with one of the advice from the other guys, and I said, hey, it was a little bit more expensive than the focus bright. It's about, I have the receipt here actually, so let me show you. I have my receipt here. So it was, so the focus bright was, according to the post, cheaper, but this is, let me see here. It was, the interface was $220. So the other one was about $139. I think about $139. So it's about $80 with 140, yeah, about $80 difference. About $80 difference, but still looks really cool and clean and small. This is how it looks like. And then we'll go from there and then go ahead and see. So if this system or whatever works, then I can definitely see. There are other things that I have to set up, but I'm gonna just share this with you guys. So this is cool. This is what it looks like. It's really straightforward, and it will have the the LED display here, right? The connectors come in here, and you can control the volume and everything from here. Yeah, that's it. And then finally, what do I have? So definitely the cable is here, straightforward. Now this guy here, and I know many of you already used it. It looks like, yes, that's what they're saying, but I'm not sure if it has USB connection. But the other advantage is also to control the quality, make it a little bit better. You know, the interface, mix it with something here and there. And what's in here? This, oops. Yeah, this is the guy inside in here. And I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys already use this, and it extends to this, the rod. So let's see. So I'm pretty sure now these two guys will have to work together to hold the mic. Yes, this is actually designed for each other. It's fitting perfectly fine. But I wonder how this is gonna actually go into the, I'll check. This part is where people complain about, but we'll see how that holds, if it holds well. Then let me check what's in here, what's left. It's very aggressive, man. I let it go and it's going on its own. So let's look for the other one. Anything in here? Nothing else? So I'm looking for it. It's supposed to be a base or something. Let me check. I think they have a base here. There's something in here that looks like a base. Nope. Yeah, that's the base. And so it should be probably sitting on here, right? That's the base. And let's see how that fits into this. Definitely looks like we'll have to put it in this way and then connect it from there. So I'm gonna do the setup because I don't want to waste your time. There's quite a few of you guys here, but I'll connect it, test it, and share with you guys all the results. I'm not gonna film it because another question that many people ask me is, what kind of camera are you using? It looks like it's clear, when you're doing the live. I'm actually using the computer's webcam. I don't use anything else, nothing professional here. People ask me this question a lot. I've been even this evening, somebody was asking, I would like to buy the webcam that you use. Which one do you use? The webcam is the one that comes with the iMac Pro. I use the iMac Pro and I've never used anything else. Anytime, the sound that you're hearing now, I know it's not the best, but it's coming straight from the computer itself. That's how I always went, I used to do live, and I never cared. I've been going live since Facebook was, introduced live, like for a while. I think 2017, I'm pretty sure 2016, one of them, late 2016 or 2017. By 2017, I had my own show. We used to call Muhammad Ali Show live on my profile back in the day, the previous profile. And so I have been around in this space for a while, but I haven't got to this part where I needed, to set up anything. Now with podcasters and voice and Clubhouse and so many, repurposing of content from blog to video to so many AI, coming into the space. I think it's easy to create content. It's easy to take that and make it into some form of, audio production and then video production. So why not just, as much content as possible? That's what we want to do. So I'm going to do and play around with it. I'm really excited to see how it works, and I'll share with you guys. I hope in my next live, I will be able to use these tools to come and go live, and hopefully the voice will be much better than what we have now. So yeah, we'll compare, because the video here is also being recorded on my desktop, and every time I go live, my video is actually automatically recorded on the desktop. And so we'll take that and compare them and play, the voice. So thank you so much for watching, and thank you for your recommendations. I definitely would not have bought any of these things, except that all of you guys who are in the group, guided me and told me what to get. Still, some want me to go big and get some crazy stuff, but I want to start with the basics and see, especially the fact that I ended up with this. It's actually another recommendation from someone who said, look, the SM7B is good, this is what it does, but I'm pretty sure this is also way better. So it doesn't need external stuff or anything. Just plug this into this and straight into the computer, and it should be pretty straightforward. Nothing to confuse yourself about. So thank you so much, and thank you for your time. We'll talk soon. Thank you. Appreciate it.